Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got this pretty small house for you guys. I don't really know a whole lot about it. It's been abandoned for over a decade, I'm pretty sure. I think around maybe like 2007, 6, like maybe 2008. I'm not really fully sure about that though. It's gonna be a kind of a quick explore for you guys. Not a whole lot here, but here's the front of the house. As you can see, it's really small. Not a whole lot to it. But anyway, let's walk on the side here. And as you can see, there is a shed. Here's the side of the house. Let's check out what's back here. As you can see, there is like a little cellar or something in the ground right there. We'll check that out in a minute. But here's like this corner of the house. As you can see, the chimney's right there. Okay guys, so here's the front of the shed. Take a quick walk over here. Nothing over here though. And now let me get my light on and I'll show you the inside. Okay guys, so here's the inside of the shed. There's a little bit of stuff in here. As you can see, there is a chair. There's also some wood paneling. It's kind of surprising that it's in the shed, out of all places. Also, quite a bit of cobwebs. Okay guys, so I was walking around the side of the house and then I forgot to do the cold cellar here. At least I think that's what this is. So here's the front of it. The outside looks pretty cool. Trying to navigate through these trees. It's pretty hard to do. But here's the inside. As you can see, it's not a whole lot. Pretty cool little building though. It's probably the coolest thing in this house actually, on the property. Look at the decay up here in this corner. As you can see, we're on a vineyard out in the middle of the country. I'm pretty sure the vineyard actually owns this house, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But here's the side of the house. As you can see, there's the way in through that window. Now, if you look here, you can see the wall is like splitting apart between the two. Okay, now it's hard to see through all the trees, but this is the back of the house. Here, I'll try to show you more over here actually. If you can, yeah, you can see a bit more. So as you can see, this is the back of the house. Not a whole lot. But anyway guys, let's quickly take a look on the inside. Okay guys, so here's the inside of the house. As you can see, it's pretty decayed and also pretty destroyed. Let's take a look at the ceiling. It's all falling apart. this house is really small. I'm guessing this right here behind the door would be the kitchen, and this would probably be a living room. But if you look at the floor has pretty much completely caved in. If you look over here too. So I don't know if I would walk in here, as it seems pretty unsafe. Just look at this. But I'll try to show as much as I can from this room. If you look in the hallway, there's a bed, so it's probably like a bedroom, and it says our room on the wall. And then in this room, the floor is caving in the corner. Can't really see much in there though. But anyway guys, I think this would probably be it for today's video. If you all enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and share, and also comment. I appreciate it a lot. But I'll see you guys in the next video.